A major political change could be on the cards in Karnataka. After months of speculation, the Congress leadership is reportedly moving towards replacing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah with Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar. Sources reportedly said top Congress leaders held a marathon meeting in New Delhi with Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar at the party headquarters. Reports suggested leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi also held a separate one-on-one meeting with Siddaramaiah. Party insiders indicated that the leadership change now appeared likely, though there was still no clarity on when the transition would happen. Discussions were reportedly continuing over the conditions for Siddaramaiah stepping down. Speculation is also growing over Siddaramaiah's future role. Some reports claim the Congress may offer him a national level responsibility. However, it remained unclear whether the 77-year-old leader would accept such a move, as he has previously expressed interest in staying active in Karnataka politics. DK Shivkumar avoided speaking to the media after the meeting, but his thumbs-up gesture outside his Delhi residence triggered fresh political speculation. He has repeatedly reminded the Congress High Command about the reported 2023 power-sharing understanding. The possible elevation of Shivkumar is also expected to trigger a cabinet reshuffle. Sources said supporters of both camps were now pushing for key portfolios and organizational posts. The Congress government has been facing internal power struggles ever since coming to power in 2023 with a massive mandate of 135 seats in the 224-member assembly. Officially, Congress leader K.C. Venugopal denied any leadership discussions and said the Delhi meetings were only about Rajya Sabha and Legislative Council elections. The Congress is expected to win 3 of Karnataka's 4 Rajya Sabha seats, while the BJP-JDS alliance is likely to secure 1 seat. Meanwhile, the BJP attacked the Congress, accusing it of focusing more on the Chief Minister's chair rather than governance.
That's why I came here. The way and vision is a right path for us to follow, and I came here to tribute Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Sir, if there is a change of guard, will you accept, sir, if DK Shivkumar
Sir, this is all speculation, no information. Yesterday, the Venugopal is told that only we have discussed with the Rajya Sabha and the Vidhana Parishad seats. Only he conveyed to the press. I am not going beyond that. If the Chief Minister called tomorrow morning, let me know what is the outcome, and he was there. Decisions, he was also there. He is a disciplined person. I hope we will know tomorrow only. Till that time, I cannot comment anything. I am the person who is abide by the High Command decision. Thank you very much.
So tomorrow he has got a breakfast meeting.
No information till today.
You are not invited, sir.
No. If he invites, they will invite all ministers. Right. Thank you very much.
So as of now, DK Shivkumar is our party president, and Siddaramaiah is our honorable chief minister, and he has got his cabinet team. That is the status as of now. That's all.
So what happened in Delhi yesterday, sir?
So I was not there in Delhi. Through media only I came to know some rumors. That's all. It is only a rumors. There is no decision either by the High Command or by Chief Minister or anybody else. Even High Command made it very clear while addressing a press conference that we sat and we discussed on the issues of Rajya Sabha selection and council selection. When they have made it very, very clear, so it is not proper on my part to talk anything on that. So as a disciplined soldier of this party, it is my duty, if at all, if a party announces anything, either on Rajya Sabha or council or Lok Sabha or assembly or on other issues, as a disciplined party functionary, it is my duty to welcome it. As of now, there is no decision on any issues. They made it very clear that we discussed something on this Rajya Sabha and council. So what I can react on that? This is premature to react on anything on any issue. ನೋಡಿಯಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ, ಡಿ ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನಿತರ ಅನೇಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕೆಲವು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಡಿನ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಲಂಚಿಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವಿಚಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಾವ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಕೆದಾಟು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ? ಸೊ ಕರೆದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಹ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಹಿತದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ, ಪಕ್ಷದ ಹಿತದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅವರೇನಾದರೂ ಸಹ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆಗ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದೇ ಹೊರತು ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಹಿತದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ, ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಹಿತದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆದಿರ್ಬೋದೇ ಹೊರತು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿದೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ವಿಚಾರಗಳ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೀತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಏಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ಗವರ್ನರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.